Half the year has gone by and 6 more months to go. That's right. Hello everyone, I'm Alex from Wondershare Repairit, and today I have something that is very exciting for you all. It's a quick way to recall the inner photographer in you. Wondershare Repairit is launching an exciting program for you photo enthusiasts. Recall the moments with Repairit. And all you need to do is to share your best and most unforgettable moments of 2021 with us. Be it in the form of a video or photos, this will give you the chance to win one of our fantastic prizes, including a Canon EOS 4000D camera, a GoPro Hero 9, an Amazon gift card, or even a 1-year license for Wondershare Repairit and Filmora programs. It really is that exciting. With this fantastic campaign, we want you to rejoice in those small moments in your life, especially during this year. We all have many memories in life which we would love to cherish forever, and that's where Wondershare Repairit can help you out. We have come up with some new and exciting features that can help you repair not just videos, but also photos. You can improve the brightness or even fix pixelated problems of your pictures in any format with ease. Be it JPEG, DNG or even CR3, all with the help of Wondershare Repairit. Also, at the end of this fantastic campaign, 7 lucky winners will be getting one of these exciting gifts. Either a Canon camera, a GoPro, an Amazon gift card or a Wondershare software license. It's all just waiting for you. So now let me tell you how you can join in with this exciting campaign. Firstly, you need to follow Wondershare Repairit on our social media accounts, and that gives you 6 ways to enter. Follow us on Twitter and also visit our pages on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Also, make sure you retweet our posts with your Twitter account. And by completing each of these actions, you'll be unlocking 14 bonus items for yourself. And then what you need to do is to post your best memories of 2021. Be it in a video or photo format on any of these social media platforms, like Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, along with the hashtag #RecallTheMoments_with_Repairit. Also, whilst posting, don't forget to make sure that your social media account is public. And finally, you need to submit your entries to us by clicking on the Enter Now button, and then you could win some exciting prizes. The last date for entries is the 9th of July, and on the very next day, we'll be announcing our 7 lucky winners. So don't wait too long. Enter yourself into the program today for your chance to win one of our fantastic prizes, such as a Canon EOS 4000D, GoPro Hero 9, plus many, many more. And being a worldwide event means that you can win one of our amazing gifts from anywhere around the world, just by uploading your favourite and most cherished moments. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of our fantastic competition, and don't forget to use the hashtag #RecallTheMoments_with_Repairit, and cherish your beautiful memories with Wondershare Repairit today.